I'm connected to Sample Superstore, and let's say my requirement is to look at the profit made by different categories. So here is a graph showing me the profit coming from different categories. I will also go ahead and show the totals. So you can see what is the overall total and the contribution of each category towards the overall profit. Now, suppose I apply quick table calculation % of total on this data, then Tableau will represent the information as percentages. You can see that technology is contributing to 50.79% of the overall profit. Office supplies is contributing towards 42.77% of the overall profit. Now, if I go ahead and turn on the filter on category pill and then choose only one category, you will notice how the percentages are changing. Suppose I select office supplies and technology. Look at the contribution of these two members towards the overall profit. So the percentages are changing depending on the number of members that we show on the graph. But what if your requirement is to keep the absolute percentage as is, irrespective of whether or not the rest of the members are there, irrespective of the filter that is applied? In that case, we will have to take the help of fixed LOD expression. So I'm going to use an LOD expression to get me the total profit of the business fixed at no dimensions. When you do not declare a dimension followed by a fixed LOD, Tableau will work on the entire data present in that column in your data connection. So I need to get the summation of the profit. For the entire data in the profit column, Tableau will take it and sum it up, and it is going to compute the total profit, the overall profit of the business. Once this field is ready, now we can go ahead and create a calculated field that will compute the percent. So sum of profit made by each category divided by the summation of the total profit that we computed using the fixed LOD expression. Now, once you do this, you can take percent into the table and see the data. Further, you can go ahead and format the field percent and change its display to percentage if you wish to. So you can see that we got the exact same result even through the fixed LOD expression. But now let us change the filter and see what happens. I'm going to remove office supplies from here. You see how the first column, which is based on your quick table calculation, is giving you a different percentage. So just when we look at the data for furniture and technology, when we compare furniture and technology alone, irrespective of office supplies, technology is contributing to 88% of the overall profit made just by these two members, 11% of the profit from furniture. But look at the result of the fixed LOD expression. It did not change. So 50.79 is the overall profit made by technology. 6.44 is the overall profit made by furniture. Suppose I uncheck furniture. You see here how technology has changed to 100% because we are comparing its performance with itself. Whereas here it is 50.79%. That is the performance of technology in comparison to the rest of the members. Even though we have not selected them, we are able to update that percentage. So if you want to compute the percent of total, free from the influence of the filters, and see the absolute value at any given point of time, then you will have to make use of the fixed LOD expression. Thank you.